Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Last night and today I made a couple of videos about a company called TruFlat that is using HDF, high density fiberboard. And I ran these samples and they're unreal. And then I found out, and he corrected me on my first video, and I'll leave a link again for the website and the distributor list where you can get the stuff from. It's really a fake finish. Say it says a 6-stage painted. So I was really concerned, or not, I wasn't concerned. I wanted to see, so I had they gave me a piece of maple. And if that doesn't look like maple wood, I don't know what does. The most graphic, detailed design of anything I've ever seen in the laser realm is this right here, the Aztec calendar. And I ran it. I really didn't even have to wipe it off. There was no burn residue. I ran it I have a 60-watt epilogue and I ran it at 100 power at 70 speed. I did wipe it off a little bit, but it really didn't even need it. I mean, made these part, but I was really curious how it was going to hold up with this kind of detail. And I'm thoroughly impressed. I will be getting they're going to send me some samples and I'm going to let it set out for like 2 weeks, just out on the open, and see how they're sending me larger samples. So I'm going to see how true flat it stays, which I really expect it to, but I want to test it. But anyway, pretty cool product. So I'm going to leave the website. So this is actually part 3 of this. And if you can watch part 1 and 2, don't really have to, but I will put a link to the website and the distributor list at the bottom of this video. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.